Berhubung ada yang pesan cincin warna hitam, dan ini belum pernah saya rekam dan dijadikan konten. Nah, di video kali ini saya akan membagikan bagaimana cara saya membuat cincin warna hitam. Bagaimana prosesnya? Yuk simak prosesnya. Halo, apa kabar semuanya? Semoga sehat selalu ya sob. Di video kali ini saya akan membuat cincin warna hitam dengan bahan kain jeans hitam. Ukur dengan lebar 1 cm. Potong sesuai garis.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
Siapkan media gulung.
So inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace.
Lem super.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay.
Gulung dan lem setiap 1 kali putaran.
I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Few moments later.
Setelah lem kering, lepaskan dari media gulung. Ratakan bagian samping. Bentuk bagian dalam sesuaikan dengan ukuran jari. Ukur dan kurangi lebar cincin. Ratakan kedua sisi samping. Gambar pola bagian luar. Bentuk sesuaikan dengan garis pola. Rapihkan bentuk.
Living living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Haluskan cincin.
All I want, and I pray.
Menggunakan amplas nomor 100.
I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly, I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and
Lanjut
have better
menggunakan
days. I could walk,
amplas
see, hear,
nomor
I celebrate, think I could change my
240,
mind, maybe elevate.
600, 1000, dan 5000.
Late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray. I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay.
Setelah pengamplasan semua nomor,
Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of
lanjut
us and that's
finishing.
okay. Well, I just wanna be
Menggunakan cat
happy. How to
bening.
get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Hasil setelah cat kering.
And I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day.
Selesai. Inilah hasil akhirnya, siap untuk dikemas dan kemudian dikirim.
Some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Pengemasan untuk dikirim.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a
Siap
mistake,
meluncur
it's
ke
called
Gresik.
education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.